Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So before we get started, make sure to hit the like button, also subscribe to my channel. In this video, we will talk about how to make money by investing in gold. So make sure to watch the full video. Investors can invest in gold through exchange-traded funds, ETFs, buying stock in gold miners and associated companies, and purchasing a physical product such as coins or bullion. They usually have as many reasons for investing in the precious metal as they do methods to make those investments. Some argue that gold is a relic that no longer holds the monetary qualities of the past. In a modern economic environment, paper currency is the money of choice. Critics contend that gold's only benefit is the fact that it is a material used in jewelry. On the other end of the spectrum are those who assert that gold is an asset with various intrinsic qualities that make it unique and necessary for investors to hold in their portfolios. In the end, economists and market professionals view gold as a portfolio diversifier and potential hedge against inflation. Gold may also be a safe haven asset when the economy turns sour and the prices of stocks and bonds suffer. In the end, whether to invest in gold will depend on your individual circumstances and market outlook. When the stock market starts looking turbulent, people repeat the old mantra that cash is king. But some people want a better haven for their hard-earned funds and turn to gold. For thousands of years, the world's most popular investment was gold, a pretty metal you could melt, cast, bend, bury, and reuse endlessly. These days, you have a lot more investment options. But if nothing but gold will do, here's how to invest in the metal. Is buying gold a good investment? That depends on who you ask. Some argue commodities like gold and silver are too risky and don't offer enough utility as investments, while others argue they can help round out a diversified, long-term portfolio. Many people rush to gold in tough times. The shiny metal has been valuable since the dawn of recorded history and tends to hold up well during stock market dips and periods of high inflation. Famed investor Warren Buffett has been somewhat ambivalent about gold over the years. I have no views as to where gold will be in the next 5 years, but the one thing I can tell you is it won't do anything between now and then except look at you, he told CNBC in 2009. Buffett shocked his followers in 2020 when his company Berkshire Hathaway actually picked up shares of gold mining company Barrick Gold, but he sold them the following year. How to make money with gold? You have a few options. You could either buy physical gold bars or coins, invest in gold mining company stocks, buy shares in a gold exchange-traded fund, ETF, or buy into gold futures. 1. Buy gold bullion or coins. The most straightforward way to put your money in gold is to buy and store gold bars, coins, or jewelry. To actually make a profit off the precious metal, you need to have a reasonable expectation that your gold can be sold for more than you paid for it. Unfortunately, gold prices are difficult to predict. In the 1990s, gold barely hit $300 on a good day. But as financial crisis loomed in 2007 and 2008, people did what they always do. They started buying up gold and drove up the price. Its value shot from $800 an ounce in 2009 to $1,900 in 2011. But by 2013, gold was down to $1,300. Then, in the summer of 2020, pandemic uncertainty briefly pushed gold to an all-time high of $2,000 an ounce before sinking back down. 2. Invest in gold stocks. You can invest in gold without ever touching a flake by purchasing shares in gold mining companies. And if you like to keep your investments in Canada, this country has plenty of firms to choose from. The advantage here is that if the price of gold falls, mining companies can often shift focus to another metal. The disadvantage is that mining stocks can decline alongside the rest of the market, even when the price of gold is steady. If stock analysts don't like a company's financials, the quality of its management team, or future production prospects, investors may punish its stock price. You can easily buy commodity stocks through any number of investing apps. 3. Put money into gold ETFs. Investors might buy into gold exchange-traded funds, ETFs, to avoid the uncertainty that comes with investing in a particular company. These funds, which are traded like stocks, pool investor capital, and pour it into a variety of gold and mining companies. Some popular gold ETFs in Canada include XGDT and HGYT. ZGGT is also an option if you want to invest in smaller exploration firms. Although ETFs are diversified to reduce risk, any of these investments are subject to stock market fluctuations. If the market crashes, the value of your investment could drop even if the price of gold doesn't change. 4. Buy gold futures. Gold futures are complicated. They're contracts in which you agree to buy a set amount of gold at a specific price sometime in the future. Traders can strategically buy and sell futures contracts to profit from the changing price of gold. Buyers of futures contracts profit when commodity prices rise. Sellers of futures contracts profit when commodity prices fall. The contracts typically require a minimum purchase of 100 ounces of gold. Novice investors should exercise extreme caution with futures contracts due to the high degree of borrowing typically involved. Next steps: buying gold as an investment. Before you go King Midas and turn your entire portfolio to gold, take the following precautionary steps. Decide your risk tolerance. Investing in gold futures can be risky, while ETFs can help spread out your risk. Do research. If you decide to invest in a specific gold mining company, look into its performance over the last few years and whether it mines for other metals or resources. Start slow. Most people who invest in gold make it a small part of a diversified portfolio. And remember, if you're just starting out as an investor, it's not a bad idea to look into some low-stakes alternatives. One popular app lets you invest with just your spare change. What do you think of our video? Let me know in the comment section below. Before you go, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.